Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about massage and acupressure for joint pain at your jaw. The jaw is controlled by the masseter muscles right here and the temporalis muscles up in here. When you clench your jaw, you can feel these muscles contract. Take a few moments to massage these areas while you clench your jaw back and forth. These are the muscles we're going to work to relax the space at your joint in the jaw right here. I like to start by doing a downward pull on the masseter muscle. I'll show you these moves and you can continue them for 30 to 60 seconds afterwards. I also like to go ahead into my scalp above the ear and do a little scalp massage. You can also make your hands into a fist and paw the side of your face. Do this with your mouth closed. Do it again with your mouth open. You can do this up in the head too. The next points you can do are on your hand. This is a major point for any head or face problems. The master point of the face, Li4. You can see it's much like a jaw too when you open and close your mouth. That way we can say that this is homologous to the temporomandibular joint. Massaging into here for 30 to 60 seconds can also increase just your general circulation. I like to pluck it like this. Make sure you're getting into the joint because like structures treat like structures. This muscle here is analogous to your masseter muscle. Using this map of the ear, we can see that the temporomandibular joint, upper jaw, and lower jaw points are on the outside of the ear at the lobe here. Pull down on the earlobe at these points. These are also great points for headache and any tooth-related pain. For jaw pain that develops while clenching your teeth at night, it's really important to manage your stress and build some awareness around your sleep hygiene. Make sure you're avoiding any caffeine past noon, turning off all lights and computers, TVs before bed, and maybe adding a little meditation routine before you go to sleep. I personally like to add some chamomile tea to my bedtime routine if I'm feeling a little stressed out. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.